In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Runway ML account. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the official Runway ML website by typing runwayml.com into the address bar. Give the page a moment to load, then look for the Sign Up button, usually at the top right of the homepage. Click that to begin. If the site layout looks a little different, don't worry. Designs change from time to time. Just look for any clear option that says Sign Up or Create Account. Next, choose how you want to register. You can sign up with your email or use a Google or Apple account for a quicker connection. Using Google or Apple links your Runway account to those services, which can be convenient if you prefer fewer passwords to manage. If you'd rather keep everything separate, go with the email option. If you select Sign Up with Email, you'll see fields for your email address, a username, and a password. Enter a valid email you can access right away, because you'll need it for verification. Choose a username that represents you or your work. This may appear in certain areas of the platform. For the password, create something at least 6 characters long, and include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. A short passphrase can be both strong and easy to remember. Confirm the password in the second box to make sure there aren't any typos, then proceed. After submitting, Runway will send a verification message to the email you provided. Keep the Sign Up tab open while you switch to your email inbox in a new tab or on your phone. Look for an email from Runway with either a code or a verification link. If you don't see it within a minute or two, check your spam or promotions folder. Some codes expire, often within about an hour, so try to complete this step promptly. If you received a code, return to the Runway tab and enter it carefully, watching out for extra spaces when copying and pasting. If you received a link, click it once and wait to be redirected. When the verification is successful, your account is confirmed and ready to use. That's it. You've visited the official site, chosen a registration method, entered your details, and verified your email. With your new Runway ML account set up, you can move forward confidently, knowing your credentials are correct and your access is secure. If you ever need to revisit these steps, remember that most issues come down to mistyped emails, weak passwords, or missed verification messages, so double-check those and you'll be good to go.